Hi, this is a quick little video to show you how to request a new account on Moodle. And this is the screen that you would see to create that new account. The left hand side of the screen is for users who are returning to the site, as you see, who already have a password. This is where you'll log in once you have created a password on our site. And there's a spot here for remembering the username, so that once you've logged in here, you can have it remember the username each time. If you forget your password, there's a section just below where you can select forgotten username or password, and you can have your password reset there. And on the right hand side is the side we're concerned about right now, and this is for the first time here. This is where you will request a new account. All of the instructions are written here. As far as the steps, you will click on the new account. That should highlight under your cursor. And basically, if you look at the list, it's fill out the new account form with your details. An email will be immediately sent to your email address. You read your email and then click on that web link within the email, and your account will be confirmed that you have a new account. After you've done that, you can select the course that you want to participate in. If you are enrolled in any courses, those courses will show up on your screen when you log in. And you will be prompted for an enrollment key the first time you enter any particular course that you're enrolled in, and that should come from your professor. Then you can access the full course from that point forward. So I can click on new account here, or I can click on new account here. So we'll click on new account to show you that screen, and then you'll see a screen that looks much like this. For CTS, in all the sites, with our Moodle sites, you'll find the username is first, and the asterisks basically let you know these are required fields. So in this particular part, they're all required, and you type in your username here. Username is going to be your first initial and your last name. I already have one, but I can type this in. I'll type in the password sample. And if you want to see the password, just click on the unmask button. It'll show you what you typed in. And then your email address. You'll type in the email address again. And your first name, last name, town, state, United States rather, and then you'll have to enter this CAPTCHA text, whatever is below here. You'd have to type this in and then create new account. It'll give you a new account. Now for me it won't do that obviously because I'm in the system, but at this point you would type in this section of whatever's here in this CAPTCHA. This is just to prevent spamming, and then you hit create new account. If you have made any errors in this section, it will refresh this same screen, and the place that you made the error in will be highlighted red, and so it'll show you that section. And so if you type the password, let's say you type in the password incorrectly, or the email address, you typed it in differently. Maybe I typed edu and then I did com on this one. If I were to create no account with that, it comes back and it shows me the errors. It says this username exists, and so I cannot use him, Neil, because it exists. If you see that, that means you're probably already registered. If the password is wrong, it'll tell you that something's wrong with your password. If the email address is not correct, it'll tell you. Here it says this is already registered, but then also here it tells me it's invalid. It doesn't match the one above it. So any place that there are errors, it will show you here. Once you get those straightened out, you can click on create a new account, and then you'll get an email message. Now if I go back to where we start from, CTS Chicago site, this is the best place to start from to get to our learning site, is to just start at the website for CTS. And this is the main website. You see our president there. If you scroll to the bottom of the screen, you'll see CTS Online, or Moodle in parens. The other place you can look is under the Online tab. You will see CTS Online also. Either one of those clicks will get you to our site. Now, since I'm already registered on those sites, it will take me directly to the site rather than to the new login page for a person who doesn't have. And you see here it's got my username filled in. And so this is what you'll see once you've registered. Each time that you go to the site, you'll come to this page and you'll see again the login box each time. If I log in here, typed it in wrong, so I mistyped my password, and it takes me back to this page that you saw earlier, except now it's saying invalid login, please try again. So you'll have another chance to get it right. This time I'll type it correctly. Select login. I just want you to see the screen, and you can either unselect or select. Remember username. If you select it, it'll take you directly to the site and have your username plugged in already. Guest access is below in case you are just a guest in a course. So I'll click login. I typed my password correctly this time, so it should take me back to the site. Here we go. And this is what the main site looks like. And so now I'm logged in to the site. I can see at the bottom, I can see all of the site news. I can see the courses, summer courses, fall, spring. There will be J-term section also. So each term, the courses will be divided by term. And then also you can look below that and you can see the courses based on the type of course. The community courses, online teaching and learning courses, miscellaneous, Christian ministry, theology and ethics, and then religious heritage courses below. And you can also see the number of courses within there. And so this will allow you to browse. We don't want to go any further than that for now. The goal of this short video was just to get you past the process of creating a new login in the system and getting into the system. So we've met that objective, and hope you'll check back with us for future videos that are coming out. That'll help you go through the process of actually registering for your course, getting enrolled in your course, and then the process of using the different functions within the course. So thank you again for your time. I hope this has been helpful to you.